Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix It Design. If you're planning a bathroom remodel or just love staying on top of the latest trends, you're going to love this. Today, we're diving into the top bathroom design ideas for 2025, from must-have features and color palettes to trending materials and layouts. Whether you want spa-like luxury or sleek minimalism, these ideas will completely transform your space. So let's get started with what's hot in bathroom design right now. Section 1, Colors and Mood. 2025 is all about warm, earthy tones and calming, nature-inspired palettes. Say goodbye to cold grays and hello to soft beiges, warm taupes, olive greens, terracotta, and even deep navy. Bathrooms are becoming more relaxing and inviting, like your personal wellness retreat. We're also seeing the rise of tone-on-tone color schemes, like layering different shades of creamy white or dusty rose for a soft, harmonious vibe. And black accents still in, especially in matte finishes. They add depth and contrast without being too harsh. Section 2, Tiles and Textures. Tile is where the magic happens in bathroom design, and in 2025, it's all about texture and personality. Zellage tiles are a huge trend, handcrafted, imperfect, and full of character. KitKat tiles are also big, especially in vertical layouts for a modern touch. We're also seeing more large format tiles to create seamless look surfaces with fewer grout lines. Textured tiles, like ribbed or 3D designs, are being used as feature walls or in niches to add dimension. And don't forget, natural stone, travertine, slate, and even fluted marble are making a serious comeback. Section 3, Sinks, Vanities and Storage. Floating vanities are still going strong in 2025, offering a clean, modern look while making small bathrooms feel more spacious. But now, designers are adding organic wood tones like walnut or oak to bring warmth. Integrated sinks are popular too, seamless, sculptural, and easy to clean. Freestanding vanities with open shelving are on trend for a more relaxed, spa-like vibe. And here's a big one: hidden storage is becoming essential. Think pull-out drawers behind mirrors, under sink organizers, and recessed shelves that keep the space clutter-free and beautiful. Section 4, Showers and Bathtubs. In 2025, showers are becoming more luxurious than ever. Walk-in, curbless showers with frameless glass are a staple. Not only do they look amazing, but they're functional and accessible too. Rainfall showers, body sprays, and built-in benches are adding a true spa feel. For tubs, freestanding designs are still popular, but now we're seeing sculptural shapes and stone look finishes that add artful elegance. And if you really want to go all out, add a fireplace or a plant wall next to your tub. Yes, that's trending too. Section 5, Lighting and Mirrors. Good lighting can make or break a bathroom. In 2025, layered lighting is the way to go. Combine overhead lights with LED strip lighting under vanities, backlit mirrors, and pendant lights beside your mirror for that luxe hotel vibe. Speaking of mirrors, the classic frameless look is being upgraded with organic shapes, bronze or black frames, and even smart mirrors with built-in touch controls and anti-fog features. The goal: a bathroom that feels bright, functional, and totally on trend. Section 6, Eco-friendly and Tech Trends. Sustainability is a big focus for 2025. That means water-saving fixtures, low-flow toilets, and recycled materials for countertops and tiles. Smart technology is also stepping in. Think motion sensor faucets, voice-activated lighting, heated floors, and even smart toilets with built-in bidets. These high-tech features aren't just about convenience, they're energy efficient and add serious value to your home. So there you have it, the top bathroom design ideas you need to know for 2025. From warm colors and bold tiles to smart upgrades and spa-worthy features, these trends are all about creating a space that feels both luxurious and personal. Which trend was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more design tips from Fix It Design. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.